All right, today we're learning roofs as fast as we can. Once you get your frame of your roof built, whether that be a flat roof or a gabled roof, however you're gonna do it, we like to use the zip board system. Zip board goes on, roll your tape on all of your seams. Make sure you roll it or you avoid your warranty. Get your drip edge on. Once your drip edge is on, you're gonna put your ice and rain guard on. When we do flat roofs, we like to cover the whole thing with ice and rain guard. If we're doing a gabled roof, we do all the perimeters. So we'll go on the outside two, and then one at the house all the way over, and then overlapping. Once you've got that on, get your first row of shingles on. We like to have an overhang of about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Once you've got that whole row on, then you're just gonna start with your next shingle. Watch your patterns though. Every manufacturer is gonna tell you different cut patterns that you're gonna go all the way up for architectural shingles, and that's what we're using today. Once you've got your first cut in, then you're gonna get your next full piece in, line that guy up, make sure it's flush with this. You are gonna have lines snapped every few feet, so you've got a reference point. From that reference point, I'm gonna check what this is now it's flushed up with the other one. I'm at 42 1/4. I'm gonna come over here, lock this guy in to 42 1/4, and then I'm just gonna move my shingle accordingly. I'm also gonna check down here to make sure that I'm covering up this line as well as the manufacturer recommends or requires. And then once you've got that in, you know you're locked, check your measurement again. Once you're good, go ahead and fill it. Once you get done with that, you're gonna run your shingles all the way up to the top, row by row, following your cut pattern. Get to the top, put your ridge line on. Once your ridge line is on, you got a roof.